What's the funniest way you got caught red-handed? Going to the movies is great, but there was no way I was going to pay a fortune for movie theater candy. So my friends and I made a plan. Before heading to the theater, we hit the dollar store and went all in. Sour Patch Kids, chocolate bars, gummy worms, we got everything. We didn't just grab snacks. We grabbed enough sugar to fuel a small army. Now came the tricky part, sneaking it in. My friends stuffed their pockets, but I took things to another level. I wore my biggest, puffiest jacket and packed it like I was a walking vending machine. By the time we got to the theater, I looked like I'd gained 30 pounds in pure sugar weight, but I played it cool. Casual. We got in line, bought our tickets, no problems. Nobody even glanced at me. The plan was flawless. Right as we turned toward the theater entrance, I took one step forward and tripped. I don't even know what happened. Maybe I stepped on my own shoelace. Maybe fate decided my time had come. All I know is I went down hard, and so did everything inside my jacket. A rainfall of candy exploded onto the floor. Skittles rolled in every direction. A box of Milk Duds slid across the lobby like a hockey puck. One perfectly wrapped Snickers bar landed directly at the feet of the theater manager. Silence. I looked up. The manager was staring at me, arms crossed. My friends? They were slowly backing away, pretending they didn't know me. I scrambled to pick up the candy, but it was too late. Sir, what is this? I stared at the chocolate bars in my hands, the loose Skittles rolling past me. I looked back at the manager. Snacks. The man sighed. We have a strict no outside food policy. And just like that, I got kicked out of the theater.